Viewing samples. The audio sample rate is the number of times per second the recorded sound source is sampled. It is common for professional camera audio to take a sample 48,000 times per second. Let's look at an individual audio sample. In the project panel, open the music bin and double-click the clip Graceful Tenor, Patrick Cannell, to open it in the source monitor. Because this clip has no video, Premiere Pro automatically displays the waveforms for the two audio channels. At the bottom of the source monitor, the width of the time ruler represents the total duration of the clip. Open the source monitor settings menu and choose Time Ruler Numbers. The time ruler now shows time code indicators. Try zooming in to the time ruler using the navigator just below the time ruler. Drag the handles all the way together. The maximum zoom shows you an individual frame illustrated by the width of the playhead. Open the source monitor settings menu again and choose Show Audio Time Units. This time, you will see individual audio samples counted on the time ruler. You can zoom in to an individual audio sample, in this case, 1/48,000th of a second, the sample rate of this audio. The timeline panel has the same option to view audio samples in the panel menu, rather than the timeline settings menu. For now, use the source monitor settings menu to disable both the time ruler numbers and show audio time units options.